Hi, yes, could I get a Big Mac? Thank you very much. Whose favorite sandwich from McDonald's is actually the Big Mac? Nobody's. Nobody's is. Let's take a look at this. For some reason, this sandwich is the best thing, well, second best thing on their menu. First best thing, double quarter pounder. That is magnificent. I'm not even gonna try and mess with this, but this, the Big Mac, is garbage, and I wanna make it better. I wanna make it not suck, okay? So let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at this thing, okay? We have 3 pieces of bread. That's cool, it's not a big deal. Let's take it off, all right? This is, what is this, like an ounce? This is stupid, okay. All right, we got a couple pickles. Looks like two pickles, some lettuce, some sauce, some onions. Take that off. All right, we got another patty, which is cool, and it's got cheese on it. Why not just put cheese on both patties? Was McDonald's trying to be cheap or something? I don't know. Whatever, dude. It's not like cheese would have messed up the recipe. All right, and then more onions, more soggy lettuce, and more sauce. So cool. This is the club, as they call it. The club bun. I don't know. I hate Big Macs, man. They're so whack because it just tastes like bread. But I feel like it could be made better, and yeah, that's what it's going to be. So let me put this monstrosity back in the box. Let's go into our ingredients to make this Big Mac better than what that is. All right, first thing we got here, so 2 quarter-pound beef. This is Wagyu beef. Yellow onions, easy. Dill pickles. As many pickles as you possibly, whoa, chill out. As many pickles as your heart desires. This shredded, what is this, iceberg lettuce? American cheese. Why do so many people talk crap about American cheese? On burgers, it's the only cheese. Don't put cheddar on it, it gets hard and it's stupid. American cheese is the best thing for burgers. I said it here. And sesame seed buns. These are Marty's. These are literally the only sesame seed buns I could find in the entire store. But that's fine, because these are really good. We're missing an ingredient. That is the special mac sauce, which I thought was a secret. It's not. McDonald's put the recipe out. So let's go over the recipe as McDonald's says it is, all right? A cup of mayonnaise. Then we're gonna do a 1/4 cup of relish, like a 1.5 tablespoons of mustard. This is a teaspoon of paprika. It's a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, maybe a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of white wine vinegar. And that's the entirety of the special sauce recipe. So we're actually gonna make this right now. We may as well knock this out. Garlic powder, paprika, white wine vinegar thrown in there. This looks like a 1/4 cup, okay? Mustard. That looks good. And that's the entirety of your special mac sauce. I'm sure they left something out, but we're gonna mix this up. All right, I'm gonna try this out, see if it's worthy. Yeah, it tastes about right. All right, now we have our 2 all-beef patties, our special sauce, our lettuce, our cheese, our pickles and onions, and we got our sesame seed buns. So the proper way to make a burger, in my opinion, is to do meatballs, all right? Don't make it into a patty, because then when you cook it, it becomes a stiff, like hockey puck, and it doesn't fit on the bun. That's dumb. Do it the way Five Guys does it. Put it in a ball. I'm pretty sure they do it this way. I don't know. Smash burgers. All right. So I'm going to take some butter. All right. We're going to put this down on the griddle. I'm going to put that down. I'm going to put that down. Now, for a smash burger, you obviously smash it. I don't have one of those smasher things, so I'm going to use a pot. Use anything that's flat surfaced, all right? And you're gonna wanna grease up that surface as well. That looks good to me. All you gotta do is take this and just apply pressure to it. Oh, yeah. Which is why you want to make it as wide as possible so that by the time it's done, it's going to be the size of the bun that you're putting it on. You don't want it to be too small. Also, don't worry about seasoning it yet. You're going to do that when it's all said and done. If you season it too early, it's going to dry it out and it's going to suck. Now, while your burgers are cooking, now's the time to toast your buns. That's correct, toast your buns. If you don't do that, well then you're doing it wrong. Since there's 3 buns on this burger, I'm going to take the bottom bun from another one because that's what I have to do. That actually looks like a good top and bottom. Don't worry about putting butter on here. Just put butter on the actual pan and put it down, like so. Check it. Bam. It's easy. Easy. You see that? You see that caramelization? Okay, so I know that the Big Mac only has 1 slice of cheese, but I think that's dumb. So I'm gonna put 2. All right. Now we're gonna let the cheese melt onto the burger, off to the side. I've already turned the heat off. All right. We got. See that? See the butter on the ends of this bread? Oh man, that's flavor. Now we're gonna go ahead. Sauce it up first. A lot of sauce is your friend. Go ahead and take our onions. Put a bunch, dude. The onions are banging. It's like the best part in McDonald's. We're gonna put more than 2 pickles on here. You think Bubble Bath would be happy with 2 pickles? He wouldn't be. Looking melted, all right? Cool on here. Oh my God, I lost the pickle, whatever. Not a big deal. What am I doing, brother? Messing up, come back over. Lettuce. Almost forgot the lettuce part. The beautiful burger back on top. Now we're gonna throw the club on. Guess what? We're gonna sauce it up. And we're gonna do the exact same thing again. Onions. Obnoxious amount of pickles. Lettuce. Throw our burger right on top of that right there. Holy crap. All right. And last but not least, more sauce. You made a ton of it. That's what the recipe calls for. A ton of sauce. Now we're going to throw it right on top of here, brother. Let's go. You playing with me right now? You playing? Which one? Is this? Which one is this? This is the way a Big Mac should look. All right? But I get it because this costs like $4 and then this costs, I don't know, probably like 15 bucks. I'm not going to lie to you. If you were to get this at a restaurant, it might be like $15. But I would want that one. Is this your Big Mac?
Is this your game?
No! This is a Big Mac. This is the way it should be. Oh no, man, I get it. I get it. But that's it. That's how it's done. I'm gonna take a bite out of this, but I gotta take pictures of it first. So I'll be back to taste test it in a blink of an eye. In the blink of an eye. Okay, doesn't even fit in the box. So good though. We're gonna taste test this. This is ridiculous. This is how I want a Big Mac to feel. Like this is how the commercials make it seem, and it's just not true. So we're gonna try this out. Brother, just make it at home. Like if you're in a rush, fine. But like look at the level of sesame seeds should tell you which one's better. This one, obviously. I'm going in for one more. You want a bite? You trying to take a bite of this? Hold on, brother. In all reality, there's nothing wrong with McDonald's, but obviously homemade is better. And that's the point I'm trying to prove here. But anyway, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Like, comment, subscribe, do all those cool things. I'll be back with another video in, I don't know, like 4 days or something. whenever I make another video. Thank you.